If you've been struggling with low energy and nothing seems to work, listen up. There's a crazy 15-second trick that's even got doctors scratching their heads. No expensive meds, no complicated routines, just one simple ingredient you already have at home: salt. My husband dealt with low energy and confidence for years. He had pretty much given up, thinking there was no fix, until we found this weird little trick. After just a few days of putting salt under his tongue, everything changed. He feels younger, more active, and has a drive he didn't even remember having. Here's why. Salt boosts blood circulation by up to 324%, giving you more stamina naturally. And the wildest part? Even guys over 70 are seeing insane results with this method. Want to know how to do it? Don't wait. My husband recorded a video breaking it all down, step by step, and you can watch it right now. The link is in the video description and pinned in the comments. But hurry, this video could disappear at any moment.